Yeah, I do. Right from start to finish. When you begin, you tend to be focused on the immediate things you need to do, like relocating, like getting your portfolio up and running. But to have an idea of the whole 3 years is really useful, and that's been one of the outcomes of this course.
The pathway I intend to go into is like GP with special interest in sexual health. Okay. So now, he spoke about some courses we can do to help us, be able to specialize in those fields and feel like, I think I have a clearer information about how to achieve that pathway.
I think so. Yes, I do. I know what's coming next. I know how to prepare early. So yeah.
The way Dr. Rahman explained everything, it was awesome. It was wonderful. If I'm stuck, like if I can remember some of the training, it's going to send links. So I thought that was really helpful.
I think about today's course, as with the other course that I applied for GP, is that everything is so well organised. And Dr. Rahman and actually the staff as well are very engaging to help you, and it's different from other courses I've done even when I did surgical training as well, where you just go there, attend and go. Actually here, you really care, and he's passionate about it, and actually he's able to get you involved, and you learn a lot from it. I think there's a lot I've taken from today which is going to help me maximise my training now.
One thing I like about it is the GP with the special interest. Get yourself planned for what to do after the completion of the certificate of completion of GP.
I think for me it was finding out about the extra exams I can do during GP training and how to schedule those with the compulsory exams that we need to do as part of the training.
No favorite part. Everything is excellent in this course. It's very informative. I think every GP candidate should go and take this course.